Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out the G4 tax form. This is the document you give your employer so they know how much state income tax to withhold from your paycheck. So let's dive in right in. First, to fill out this form, we are going to start with the personal info section. In lines 2A, 1A, and 1B, enter your full name and social security number. Right below that, in lines 2A and 2B, provide your home address, city, state, and zip code. Next, we move to the line 3 for your marital status. This is important because it determines your tax rate. So you'll choose one of these letters. A, single. B, married, feeling separate or married, feeling joint. C, married, feeling joint. And D, head of household. Step 2, the allowances and dependents. Now, on line 4, enter the number of dependent allowances you are claiming. In Georgia, this includes dependents as defined by the IRS, and it also includes any unborn child with a detectable heartbeat. After that, we have line 5 to Georgia adjustment allowances. If you use this line, you must complete the worksheet at the bottom of the form. If you leave the worksheet blank, this claim will be denied. If you want an extra amount taken out of each paycheck to avoid owing money at the end of the year, enter that specific dollar amount on line 6. To wrap up this section, go to line 7, enter the letter of your marital status again, and add up the numbers from lines 4 and 5 to get your total allowances. One quick note, if you had no Georgia tax liability last year and expect none this year, you might qualify to claim exempt on line 8. Just remember, if you fill out the exempt section, don't write anything on lines 4 through 7. Finally, sign and date of the bottom. This authorizes your employer to deduct the taxes correctly. If you don't submit this form, your employer is required by law to withhold taxes, and if you're single with zero allowances, which usually means more money is taken out, and that's it.